Gathered in this situation room are the elders and traditional rulers from Southeast. They are worried that some enemies of the zone are planning to use sit-at-home order to disrupt the 2023 elections in the zone.
Of course, some people who don't want the Southeast to produce president, including those who went against the agreed rotation of North and South, they are financing criminals to make it difficult to have election in the Southeast.
The people of Southeast, both home and in diaspora, should all collect their permanent voters cards, PVC, and ensure effective participation in the electoral process of next year.
The chairman, Igbo Elders Consultative Forum, and the Ezeife of the FCT said the group stand with Nnamdi Kanu in rejecting the new order on sit-at-home, but stressed that the release of Kanu is paramount to peace initiative in the Southeast.
If Nnamdi Kanu is around, free, you won't have people say they are talking for him, asking people to sit at home, kill themselves.
We Igbos are totally against any sit-at-home order, apart from the one that Carl gave. And Carl has cancelled his own sit-at-home order. As at now, we are not ready to accept any sit-at-home order.
The Secretary General of the Forum, Professor Charles Nwekako, appealed to the federal government to reconsider the ruling of the appeal court on Nnamdi Kanu.
The court appeal had unanimously freed Carl of the remaining 7 of the 15 terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government. Therefore, there are no standing terrorism charges against Mr. Kanu.
The group called on Independent Electoral Commission, Inec, to take necessary measures in providing level playing ground for all political parties and their candidates in 2023. Komobasi, AIT News, Abuja.